Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and my small business. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys what I have received recently as a micro influencer. I don't even know if I would call myself a micro influencer, content creator. You fake it till you make it, and we're gonna manifest it. I've seen videos like this all around TikTok and Instagram, and I just wanted to create a YouTube version just to go a little bit more in depth and give a backstory. So if you have no idea who I am, like I said earlier, my name is Lauren and I post fashion, lifestyle, beauty, anything of that sort on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, literally anywhere that I can. I also have a small business of an online thrift store, and I also can personally shop for you. I do a lot of different things. So once again, I am going to be showing you guys a couple of different things that I have received in the past like month and a half, I guess, and I'll show you why I'm getting these things, what my deliverables are, and like what is expected of me. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. So to start, how am I getting these things? I have signed up for literally 20 different influencer platforms, which you can just go on Google and type in like influencer platforms, and a whole bunch will come up. But two that are on my mind that I have actually received things from are aspire.iq, and then another one is called Octoly, which that one is really cool. It's basically like you go shopping on their app and you can press like you want to buy something. I was a little bit scared in the beginning because I was like, oh, okay, let me just buy everything. You only have 4 different like tokens, I guess, and you can go on and you can try and buy whatever you'd like. But even though you press buy, it comes down to if the company actually wants to send you stuff. In the past, I have pressed buy on things and I have been rejected. So the company, I guess, didn't like my content or something, so I got to pick out something else. And since you only have 4 tokens, you get those tokens back by uploading the content that is required of you. And I will explain a little bit more in depth about each one, but yeah, so that's kind of how I am getting these items. Or another way is I actually physically go and apply on a company's website where they have like a influencer or content creator application, or I even just go and email them and say, hey, I would love to collaborate, do some sort of video with you guys. So yeah, those are the 3 different ways that I kind of am receiving these items. And each one comes with a different deliverable. Deliverables are just basically what is expected of you. Sometimes it's an Instagram post, it's an Instagram story. Sometimes it is just a review on their website. Each brand has a different thing that they're expecting of you, so you just kind of have to pay attention to that. Oh, also, I think one thing that I'm going to show you today was a paid collaboration and the rest is gifted. Since I'm still small and still growing, I am still accepting like gifted collaborations, especially if it's like a small business or something and I just want to help create content for them. Because I don't know, I love helping small businesses grow. As a small business owner, I just love to see others flourish. But I feel like in the future, as I grow more, I'm going to want more paid collaborations because the content that I create is literally, I feel like it's phenomenal. I don't know what you guys see from it, but I put so much hard work into it. I feel like my content is so great, so I deserve to be paid for my hard work, period. And that comes all down to you if you want to be paid, if you don't want to be paid. Also, you don't always have to accept every single collaboration that comes your way. All these items I actually really love. Yeah, so I have been talking too much. I just wanted to give a little backstory, but let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm first gonna start with the items that I got from my PO box today. This is from the company Babe Lash. I got their essential serum, which is an eyelash serum, and it comes with like a how-to and a tips and tricks. Obviously, I just picked this up today, so I haven't tried it out, but oh, it's so pretty. I love the packaging. It's so like minimalistic and beautiful. Oh, okay. I probably went cross-eyed for a second, but yeah, that's so cool. I'm very excited to try this. I have on mascara today, but I would love to have longer and fuller lashes so that I don't have to wear mascara. Okay, so I just went through the emails and I can't really find what is expected of me, what the deliverables are, because I had to fill out a Google Forms, and when I click on it, it just says that I've already filled it out. So I'm gonna have to email the company and ask them what is expected of me. It's usually just like an Instagram story. So yeah, that is that collaboration, and let's move on to the next. The The next one is another one that I picked up just this morning. This is another collaboration from the Octoly app. I'm looking on the website, but these items are the Ultimate Lipstick Love and Ultimate Lip Definer bundle from Becca Cosmetics, and I'm so excited. I got to choose my shade. I rarely ever wear actual lipstick. I usually just wear like a lip gloss, so I'm very excited to test these out. I'm gonna do a whole look like the next time that I put on makeup. And this website is so cool because it just lays everything out. It like tells you a bunch of information about the product that you can use like when you're talking. It gives examples of content to create. It also shows me the content that I need to publish. So it is one TikTok video where I have to like put a specific thing in the caption and put a promo code. And yeah, I literally love making TikToks, and I just bulked a bunch of them today. But I also love to make makeup TikToks, and I just like film my makeup process little by little, and it looks so cool when it comes all together. If you don't follow my new TikTok, I highly recommend you do. After 30 days, my username is just going to be Freckled Lore, but I accidentally put an extra R, so if you are seeing this before July 10th, my TikTok is Freckled Lore with an extra R. Okay, but if it was after July 10th, I took the extra R off, so it's just Freckled Lore. But yeah, these are the two products. Let's open them up. I got it in the shade Mocha, and the packaging is just so pretty. What in the world? Wow. Okay. How pretty. I was trying to look for like an everyday look, and just I don't like anything too brown, and then I also don't like anything too pink, so I was kind of going for a more like mauve color, and that's what Mocha came to look like through the pictures that I saw. And then let's pull out the lip liner. Ooh, so pretty. And then something's on the end. Oh, it's like a sharpener. That is so cool. I've never seen anything like that. I think there's something else on here. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this thing is on the bottom. Maybe it's just like to clean up any mistakes. That's so cool. This pencil literally does 3 things in one. Yay. Okay, so that's all from Becca Cosmetics. Next is from Yes Style. I actually signed up a while ago to be a Yes Style influencer. I got chosen, and then the first thing that I got from them was $150 worth of free clothes, which I actually made a YouTube video on it, so if you haven't seen that, definitely go watch it. The thing about them is that they send emails like every couple of weeks saying like, we're putting out this campaign, here's an application. So you never actually know if you're gonna get chosen for each campaign, but it's just really nice to be like in the know. I've never been like that with the company. First did the YouTube haul. Next is an accessory slash like a jewelry bundle, which I'm about to show you. And then I actually just ordered something the other day. It was like a spring outfit, so I picked out a top, a pair of shorts, and a purse, and I had to make a TikTok with that. I really like being a Yes Style influencer because I feel like I get like a lot back. So yeah, so for the jewelry goodies, it is all like pearl themed and gold. So I'll start off with the hair accessories. There are 4 different clips. So there's these two, and then there is this, which I had to make a TikTok of all of this stuff. That was what was required of me. I really like this, not only because of the color, but it's like a half moon, and when it's in your hair, it actually looks so cute. Like I don't have any claw clips like this, so I am really loving this. The only thing is like these are kind of hard, so it kind of like digs in my scalp a little bit, and it kind of hurts, but it's fine. Beauty is pink. Next, so these are the earrings. They are really cute. They're super big, so I'd have to wear it with like a fancy outfit, but I think that they're really cute. I just love the white and gold. That has been like what I have been loving recently. Last but not least, there are 2 jewelry items. So this first one is a little ring. It's just little pearl beads, and then the next one is a double layer necklace. So it is very simple, and I love the little charm at the bottom. And yeah, so that is it for Yes Style. I have to post a TikTok styling all the items. It was really easy. I actually like put on an outfit, and I just showed like how I styled each of these items. Yeah, on to the next. Next was a collaboration. It was with T-Angle. I made like a whole video collaboration with them. The video was a day in my life on a staycation. So if you haven't seen that already, I put a lot of hard work into that, and you see a lot of like my own personality and stuff like that. So it's a really cute video to watch. I'll show you the items that I got. I've been keeping everything in this box so I can film this video, so I'm so excited to like start using these things again. But I basically got 2 different cups. So there is this tumbler that says matcha waiting for, which is their slogan, and then there is this mug cup thing. It's one of those shaker things, and I really like it because there's a lot of hidden features. Like there is this little filter right here, so you don't have to use any extra materials, and it just kind of like stops any matcha chunks from coming out. And then there's also a little compartment down here, so if you're going to the gym or something and you need to take a pill or you need to do anything, like it's so easy. And it also has a little wrist strap, which is very convenient. And then I was gifted this little matcha spoon, basically so that I can get the perfect amount of matcha in each drink. And then last but not least, I got 4 different matchas. Peppermint is my favorite, and then it's the green one. So the requirements were to talk about their brand for 1 to 2 minutes in a YouTube video, and they gave me talking points and just things to go over, and they made it just a really easy collaboration. I had to send them any content before I even posted anything so that I could get approved. For them, I had to make an invoice and send it over, and I also had to sign a contract. And yeah, so that was a really fun collaboration. I've never tried matcha, like I said in that video, so it was just a cool way to try these new products out and just help the brand grow, because I actually created some really nice content for them. Next is these earrings. They are from the brand Majuri. This is actually the second time that they have sent me goodies. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but according to their email, these are the Marquise quartz earrings. So they basically just emailed me saying that they had a proposal, and they just told me about the earrings. As I'm looking through this, I don't see that there was any requirements, but I obviously just always take Instagram content and then I actually email it to them, the unfiltered version. But these earrings are really cute. I made a TikTok unboxing them, and then I took a bunch of Instagram pictures in them. Also, most brands usually have like a time slot where you have to post in a certain amount of days, or you have to just give them the deliverables in a certain amount of days. I think Majuri's was like 2 weeks. Most brands it is like 2 weeks. But yeah, I love Majuri. I have worked with them twice, like I said, and they're such a really cool brand. Next is a brand that you've probably seen everywhere. It is the brand Parade. I don't even know how I have gotten on their PR box, but this is the second box that I have gotten from them randomly, and I think it's just the coolest thing ever, because I've seen TikTokers with like hundreds of thousands or sometimes millions of followers, and they're getting the same items that I am. Like, it's so cool. And also, this packaging is amazing. I love that everything is literally made of recycled materials. I already got rid of the little baggies inside, but the inside packaging is all like recyclable, compostable, and their brand and all is just really cool too. So basically, Parade was having a relaunch, and I'm going to read the email, but they basically just said that they are going to be relaunching their silky mesh fabric. So they had a little like link for me to click on, and I just put in my sizes, I put in my shipping address. The brand also sends updates like as their relaunch comes closer and closer, because you're not supposed to like post anything before. It's really cool that they also send you like a toolkit basically showing you the type of content that they're looking for, and it just makes it a whole lot easier on you. And the cool thing about them is that they give you a discount code to use for your followers. And then the items that I received, I got 2 pairs of undies, and then I got 1 sports bra. So this is the sports bra. I love this color. It is just so pretty and so unique. Their brand also is just very size inclusive, and they just make the whole experience so much more enjoyable. That's literally what I love about the brand. Like, everything is sustainable, everything is also very affordable. This was the bra, and I think the other pair is in the wash, but here is one of the pairs of the underwear. I love the like contrasting colors here. This has been everywhere, like purple and purple. This color combo has been everywhere, so I love it so much. But yeah, these are just really cute. They are very breathable, obviously, because it is all mesh, and I really appreciate the materials, the color, really everything about them. They are very amazing. So Parade, if you're watching this, I appreciate you greatly. Next is some jewelry from the brand Aurate. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, or R-A. I don't, it's A-U-R-A-T-E. I'm very sorry for butchering the name, but basically they gave me a discount code. I really like when brands have guidelines, because that is just very, very helpful, and it gives like all the things that you need to post, what they're looking for, and just like photo ideas, and I really appreciate that this brand has done that. So the deliverables for this is an in-feed post, which obviously isn't that hard. I will probably take that today after I get done filming this. And yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. I really appreciate like this dark green color. As you guys know, I love green. This is the brand name. Maybe you guys can say it better than I can. I really also appreciate that they have this. I think it's like a little carrying case, so if I'm ever to go somewhere and I need to put some jewelry in here, it's really helpful. It's also a little card in here just giving more information about the brand. And then here is the product. I don't know if I said it already, but it's an anklet, and I think it's super cute and very minimalistic and simplistic. I think it's just really pretty and chic. yeah. I don't want to take it out just yet because I'm going to film some content with it, like I said. I'm very excited to wear this. This is something that I would wear like every single day. It's my first time working with them, and I hope to have more collaborations in the future. Okay, so there's 2 more companies. The second to last is some more jewelry from the brand En Route. I reached out to them, and then they basically sent back to me that they would love to gift me 3 items of my choice in exchange for 1 Instagram post and tagging them and using the specific hashtags that they ask. The items that I have chosen are very simple, very minimalistic, and they just make me look grown and bad and bougie. So this is the first item. It is a tennis bracelet, I'm pretty sure. It's really cute and it just makes you look like $1,000. And then I picked out 2 rings. Okay, so this is the first one. It is a ring that's like open, so it kind of is just very adjustable. I really like that and appreciate that. So I can just basically put it on whatever finger I would like. And the little like diamond detailing, yeah. And then the second one, which this one is also like size adjustable and I can put it on any finger. It's very simple. Half of the beads are pearls and then the other half are just gold. Love all of this jewelry so much. I ended up sending them all the content through email, and they actually are letting me pick out some more items, so that's very exciting. Okay, on to the last item. I actually filmed this content this morning and I am so proud of it. This is another item off of the Octoly app. Okay, hopefully I'm not butchering this, but it is the Payot Radiance Eye Care with Superfruit Extracts. I love it so much. So this is the product. It is very tiny and very compact, so you can take it wherever. The best part about it and what drew me towards it the most was these little balls. In the mornings, I have the worst dark circles and puffiness under my eyes, and these little balls help tremendously. But you basically push the product out, and when the product's out, then you just put it underneath your eye, and then you just roll it on. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna clean this before I put it on my face again, but I really like it and it just smells really good. So for this one, I actually have to make a TikTok, but like I just said, I filmed that this morning. So yeah, that is all of the goodies that we have received this month. Some things to keep in mind is no matter how big your account is, brands are not always going to accept your offers. So don't get discouraged. I'm kind of talking to myself here as well, because I do get discouraged when like a brand turns me down, because I was in the middle of a collaboration. I was about to pick out the product and it was actually a really cute purse and I was very excited to get it. But then I actually woke up to an email the next morning saying that I didn't have enough followers, which that kind of stinks, but that's just pushing me to continue to grow and just to do better. So that's just a reminder that if you ever get turned down or if brands don't answer your emails or your DMs or anything, don't even worry about it. Do a follow-up email. If they don't answer to that, just forget them. You don't need them. There's billions of other brands that are in need of content creators. I just want to reiterate that I am not trying to brag. I am just basically showing the products that I have received this month because I am beyond grateful. If you'd like to know anything of how I make my media kit that I send to brands, my rate cards, anything of that sort, just leave those questions down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye. How did I even do that?